else you need though, isn't there?
Cake.
Cake.
Happy birthday cake.
You don't need cake though.
It's a chocolate pie. Not from it. That's fun. I can't open the card. Help. Barbie card.
It's a Barbie card.
Yeah.
What does it say? Can I read it to you? Will Mommy read it? The 5 is fun. What inside your birthday gift? What is that? What is it? Yeah, say, hope your 5th birthday has good friends, good treats, big surprises, and even bigger smile. Hope it's only the start of a whole sweet year of you being 5. Happy birthday, love, Mom, Dad, and Xander.
I've seen her.
Yeah, here we go.
I turned the light off.
I got it.
I got.
Sit down.
I
I
got.
gotta get the lighter. If I can find it.
No, I don't want it.
Mommy has to light your candle.
It's not working.
I know, Sam.
I turned the light off.
And I can turn the light off. Okay. Come here. Say happy birthday.
Happy. It's
You ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
dear Samantha.
Happy birthday to you.
Turn the light
Make a
on.
wish and blow it up.
I wish something.
Okay, lights.
I wish
Don't
I
get
had
anything.
You can't wish. You can't tell us what you wish for.
It has
That
to
won't
wish.
come true.
Can't tell us.
I wish it has a pool in it. Hey, hey. Put the iPhone 2 off.
What?
Birthday plate.
And back.
Do you have some left over from Xander?
And Molly gave us some too.
Yummy! I gotta put the iPhone 2 off.
Don't worry about it.
Not at all.
I just couldn't see myself putting a princess doll and boys gonna come to Samantha. She only had one boy coming to her party already.
The flake seed. Jasmine. I passed it. I got 2.5. No, I go at you.
It's a custard cake. You want a piece?
This is a stupid question.
I know, but I still had to ask.
There's no light for Santa. But I say 2 off.
You can take this thing off.
I'm not
Icing
taking.
on that.
Xander.
You want to take the other stuff off?
Keep it out of his reach.
You help me. Ooh.
Put it onto a plate.
That's Santa's. I want I put that wine in it.
See?